Hello, I'm Shikha Yadav. You're watching Agri Business News. Let's start with the latest updates. Tata Coffee Limited has won the Sustainable Agriculture Award at the FICCI Agriculture Summit and Awards 2021. Jacko Thomas, Managing Director and CEO of Tata Coffee, said Tata Coffee is honored to be recognized for its commitment to sustainable agricultural practices, and soil and water conservation are a key part of our sustainability strategy. UPL Pro Nutiva, a farmer-focused program in Gujarat which has been introduced by UPL with the aim to double farmers' income and increase the yield and oil content of groundnut crop, has benefited over 1 lakh groundnut farmers. Ashish Dohbal, Regional Director of UPL, said UPL India has consistently heard the farmers, understood and evaluated their problems while creating the Pro Nutiva solutions. Krishi Jagran has participated in the 10th International Exhibition and Conference on Agriculture Technologies titled Agri Asia 2021, which has started today at Mahatma Mandir, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The 3-day event provides a unique platform to showcase your products, services and technology from pre-harvest to post-harvest. Sanjeev Mehta, Chairman and Managing Director of Hindustan Unilever Limited, will be appointed as President of FICCI. According to the Industry Chamber, he will be taking over the position at its annual general meeting on December 18. He will be succeeding media industry veteran Uday Shankar. VST Tillers Tractors has launched the Stabulator range of rotary tillers which are customized for Indian farm applications with a demonstration video of it serving the farmers. VST is the largest manufacturer of power tillers in India. Nurture Farm has published the results of Crop Residue Management Program, the largest ever project to eliminate stubble burning in India. The report reveals benefits across reduced greenhouse gas emissions, improvements in soil health and farmer livelihoods, as well as reduced usage of fertilizers. Dhruv Sone, business head and COO of Nurture Farm, said this program has proved to be a major breakthrough and we are pleased with the results of the CRM program, through which we have established a viable, scalable alternative method to stubble farming and a brighter future for sustainable agriculture in India. Focusing on the priority sector with the objective of ensuring integrated and sustainable rural prosperity in the state, NABARD has projected a credit potential of Rs 36,292 crore for the state of Assam for the financial year 2022 to 2023 in the State Credit Seminar held on 8 December 2021. The credit potential is 12% higher than the previous year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced 3 mega projects worth Rs 10,000 crore in Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur. The 3 mega projects include a major fertilizer plant, an All India Institute of Medical Science and a regional medical research institute of the ICMR. He said beginning of a fertilizer plant and AIIMS in Gorakhpur is sending out several messages. When there is a double-engine government, then work takes place at double speed. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.